Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing AT&T and Verizon. So which one is for you? So if you don't know, Verizon provides a premium plan with higher costs but includes perks like Disney Plus, Hulu, and Apple Music, and offers customizable plans with add-ons and at additional cost. AT&T on the other hand generally offers more affordable plans with family plans starting at $25 per line. Provides more inclusive international coverage including Latin America. Now, for network coverage. So, Verizon, known for its extensive 4G LTE coverage, reaching approximately 70% of the US population. However, its 5G coverage is more limited, covering about 12% of the country. AT&T, on the other hand, offers a broader 5G coverage, reaching 29% of the US, surpassing Verizon in this regard. Its 4G LTE coverage is slightly behind Verizon at approximately 68%. Now, let's go to performance and speed. So Verizon, often praised for its fast and reliable 4G LTE speeds, particularly in rural areas. Its 5G speeds are improving but are currently more limited compared to AT&T. Now, for the AT&T on the other hand, offers a more competitive 5G speeds and performance, especially in urban areas. Its 4G LTE speeds are generally consistent but may not match Verizon's in all regions. Now, for international coverage. So Verizon provides international coverage primarily in Canada and Mexico, and AT&T offers broader international coverage including extensive services across Latin America. So which one is for you? So choose AT&T if you prioritize affordable plans, extensive 5G coverage, and broad international coverage, especially in Latin America, and choose Verizon if you value premium plans with added perks, superior 4G LTE performance, and reliable coverage in rural areas. Your choice should align with your specific needs, locations, and usage patterns. And that is it. That is the difference between Verizon and AT&T. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.